Here I am at the Appalachian Trail Museum. I'm going to go in here. It's right by where the Pine Grove Furnace General Store. And here's the lady. Let me sign in. Well, let me give you a quick look at things. Here it is. I'm going to go outside. And I'm going to go to the bottom area. So you got to go outside to go to the area with more exhibits, which is down below. I will head down that way. I'll keep it rolling. I don't have any video for today. I want to see that furnace. Since Pine Grove is called Pine Grove Furnace, I want to find that place. Oh. It's funny, I didn't think I'd eat ice cream for a long time. I ate another pint today. It's a lot better when you're not trying to eat a half gallon of it. I do apologize for not making it. It's funny, I ate that whole burger afterwards, but I just couldn't deal with any more ice cream. Oh, I was sick of it. Here we go. All right. Well, I'll do a quick walk around. There's Grandma Gateway. She's from Ohio. I'm going to do some reading so I can y'all. Walking around the park. I think this must be the old forge over here. Let's take a look. There. Let's see what it says. And we're staying at the Iron Masters Mansion Hostel. This is built in 1830, around there. Looks like it might have been built later than that, but I don't know. 1800s. We'll go up in here and I'll show you a little bit of the place. No miles today. I'm sorry, but not really. There's the porch. We sit out here. It has rocking chairs, which that's always nice. Here we go. Come in. We're open. Here's the place. Look at that fireplace. It's huge. Some chairs. And come back through here. Little area to sit around. Little chess board. Guitar. Ah, fishing pole. That's a long fishing pole. Another room. There's a shower and restroom right there. Another one right there. There's an upstairs.
Oh, I just got your text. How was the museum?
Wasn't too bad. And looky there. Yeah, it's his birthday and he's just lounging.
I ate too much.
What'd you eat?
I know, I had the pizza in town, and then I had the ice cream and that watermelon.
Yeah.
It was just all too much for the big Willie dog.
Yep. Big Willie's birthday today.
Yeah.
On the 13th of May.
Yeah.
I put that on there on the YouTube.
I was just gonna get up. I knew you had to be at the museum though.
Yeah.
It's like, you gotta be at the museum.
So I'll do this for him. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Big Willie Dog. Happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you.
Oh, you're
thank
welcome.
you very much, everyone. Appreciate it. Thank you, Todd.
All right.
Great job.
All right. We might take a nap now.
Yeah, nap
I'll
time.
get back with you later. Bye. Good evening. A little end of night recap. Talk about Big Willie. He's still going on and his knee feels better. He got his blood work done, so we'll just wait for the results. He's feeling better. Is that about it, Big Willie?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so he's feeling better. He needed this 0.
I did.
And probably do about 18 tomorrow, because there's a big flat part of Pennsylvania. It's supposed to be really easy, but you can't camp there. That's all right. We'll make do. We always do. But we had a good time here at this hostel. There's this thing called the Iron something.
Yeah, I can never remember the name of these hostels.
Yeah, I can't remember the hostels. Oh well. We had a good time and we had some good rest, and that's what mattered. I wasn't able to do the half-gallon challenge, but oh well. I ate the burger afterwards. Anyways, I'm gonna edit this video so I can get it out, because I never know when I'll be able to get more out. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So thank you everybody for watching, subscribing, commenting. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow. I love you, Tiny. Good night.